Hello, today I am going to discuss about Braun Perfusor space syringe pump. So at first, uh, discuss about overview of the syringe pump. I have already marked the syringe pump by number. So number 1, this button works to turn the pump on or off. Number 2, press to start and stop the infusion. Press 3, confirm functional selection, certain values, settings, alarms, etc. This is OK button, so this confirms many values or many times. Press to initiate bolus. This is number 4, which is yellow color and it is written bolus. Number 5, press to reset individual numbers to 0 and return to most recent display or menu level. Number 6, press to assign a barcode scan to the pump after scanning. Number 7, up and down arrow button. This used for scrolling menus, changing settings from 0 to 9, answering yes or no questions. Left and right arrow buttons. Left and right arrow buttons used for selecting scale values and switching between fields when entering the number. Press the left arrow button to start a function while the infusion is in operation or to restart when it is interrupted. Number 8. There are four types of LED light with blink there. Number A, yellow LED. When yellow LED blinks, that means it is pre-alarm or reminder alarm. When green LED blinks, it means infusing. Infusing, that time green LED blinks. Red LED, operating or device alarm. Blue LED, flashes during barcoding function. And number 9, the syringe holder. Number 9 is the syringe holder, locks the syringe in position. To remove the syringe, pull and turn to right. The drive head automatically retracts. Number 10, drive head with claw mechanism to hold the syringe plunger plate. Number 11, protective cap. Note, emergency release button on outside of drive head is located below protective cap. Replace protective cap after pressing. Syringe settings. Pull syringe holder and turn to right to open the green syringe guide. See red arrow. Syringe must be mounted with flange upright into the slot next to the green syringe guide before the syringe holder is closed. Make sure that the syringe is properly held in the place. Display. Last therapy, use last therapy, yes or no. The current therapy is displayed on the top display line. Yes, no or yes question can be answered by pressing up arrow for yes or down arrow for no. Rate. Parameters that can be changed. Example, rate in ml per hour are opened with left arrow or OK. Edit parameters. Change location or labels with left arrow or right arrow. White background displays current location or label. Use up arrow and down arrow to change current settings. Help text on the top or bottom display line shows operations. Example, confirm rate with OK, start infusion with start or stop, or delete rate with cancel or C. These mark indicate battery status. This marks indicates AC connection. This marks indicates selected pressure level and current pressure. This is for therapy profile. This for volume or time limit activate. This arrow for moving arrow shows pump flow. This is select delivery rate using left arrow. This is unit of drug administration. This is total volume infused. Alternatively, the intermediate volumes can be displayed. This is remaining time. This is remaining volume, VTBI, volume to be infused. This display all status information is available in the bottom display line. The desired information can be selected by using down arrow or up arrow, and afterward is displayed continuously. Bolus was placed during administration. Manual bolus can start with 1200 ml per hour by pressing OK button, or continue by entering a bolus limit with left arrow button. Syringe nearly empty. Pre-alarms are displayed by a message on the display. Example, syringe almost empty. A signal tone and a blinking yellow LED confirm the pre-alarm with OK button. Alarm, syringe empty alarm. With an operating alarm, example, syringe empty, the infusion stops. A signal tone sounds and the red LED blinks. Confirm alarm with OK button. Confirmation does not generate audible feedback. Pump turns off in 2 seconds. By pressing and holding power up button, a white bar expands from left to right and counts down 3 seconds. Then the pump turns off. As long as a syringe is inserted, the pump does not turn off. Instead, it goes to standby mode. A standby period of up to 24 hours can be entered. Operating alarms. When operating alarms occurs, the infusion stops. An audible signal sounds, the red LED blinks. The display shows alarm and the cause of the alarm. The signal tone can be turned off by pressing OK button. Corrective actions must be implemented based on the cause of the alarm. Let's see the cause of some alarms. Syringe empty. No remaining infusion solution in the syringe. Due to different manufacturing syringe tolerance, some liquid may remain in the syringe. Restarting results in the syringe being completely emptied and shuts down via pressure sensors. VTBI infused. That means pre-selected VTBI is infused. Continue with therapy or select new therapy. Time expired. Pre-selected time has expired. Continue with therapy or select a new therapy. Battery empty. The battery is discharged. Connect device to a power supply and or change battery. Battery alarm sounds for 3 minutes. Afterward, the pump shuts itself off. Pressure high. Occlusion in the system has occurred. The set pressure level has been exceeded. The pump automatically reduces the bolus. Check whether the syringe is empty. Make sure the line is free of kinks and undamaged, and that IV and filter are cleared. Next, KVO finished. KVO time has expired. Continue with therapy or select new therapy. Syringe not correctly inserted. The syringe tabs are not properly positioned and syringe not properly secured. Syringe holder. The syringe holder was opened during an infusion. Close the syringe holder. Battery cover removed. The battery cover is not properly attached to the battery compartment. When closing the battery cover, make sure you hear it snapping. Drive blocked. The drive head was blocked from moving forward due to an external interference. Take care to avoid obstructions. Calibrate device. Pump calibration data has changed. Recalibrate device and service program. Claw malfunction. The emergency release button was pressed and the claw manually opened. Remove syringe and inform technical. Plunger plate has no contact. That means the syringe plunger plate has no contact with the plunger plate sensor. Check system or low pressure and remove the cause of low pressure. Standby time expired. The standby time has expired and the new time or continue with the previous therapy. Caution. If a range appears and or the yellow, red and blue LED blinks, that means the pump is in service mode and is cannot be used on the patient. The pump must be checked by a service representative. Thank you all of